Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Crypto Hook channel. Today, we have some exciting updates and tasks to discuss from Tomarket. This video will guide you step by step on how to maximize your Toma token rewards and take advantage of the latest events. So make sure to watch the video until the end to fully understand and make the most of these opportunities. There's a brand new final task that has been added to the Tomarket where you can earn a significant amount of Toma tokens. Let me explain how you can participate and the purpose behind this task. Additionally, I'll share details on the rewards you can expect to receive. This task is unique and might be a bit different from what you've seen before. Don't worry, I'll break it down so it's easy to follow. After discussing this, I'll also share 3 to 4 additional tasks that are equally rewarding and will help you boost your profits. These tasks are particularly important because we are in the final days of this event. If you've been putting effort into the Tomarket, now is the time to go all in. With just a little extra work during these last days, your profits could skyrocket. Let's dive into the biggest event currently happening. Tomarket is offering a massive giveaway of 7 million Toma tokens. It might even be more than that. I'll confirm the exact figure shortly. Here's how you can participate. 1. Download the bitget wallet. Go to the App Store and download the bitget wallet. Once installed, you'll see an option to participate in the event. 2. Copy the secret code. There will be a daily changing secret code. Click on Copy the code, which will redirect you to the bitget wallet. Paste the code and submit it. 3. Event timeline. This event is running until December 19th. Make sure you complete all tasks before then. On December 20th, there's a special listing event where you can potentially earn even more Toma tokens. Once you've applied the code, you'll see a confirmation message like, "Your wallet has been accepted into the treasure hunt." On December 19th, check the Discover section of the bitget wallet to see if you've earned Toma tokens. Another event is currently live from December 17th to December 24th. Users can visit the Tomarket promotion page to claim a welcome gift and earn additional rewards by completing featured tasks. Here's how to participate. Click Start Now. This will open up a task for you to claim your welcome gift. Click on Claimed to secure your gift. 2. Earn Keysure points. Rewards are based on Toma points. These points act as your key to unlocking platform rewards. The more points you hold, the greater your chances of receiving higher rewards. 3. Complete daily tasks. Additional tasks will appear for you to complete. For example, one task might involve completing a simple transaction with a small amount, e.g., 0.02 Toma. Another task might involve inviting 3 friends to participate. Don't worry, it's not necessary for them to join. You just need to share the invite link with their numbers or usernames. By consistently completing tasks, you'll accumulate more points and increase your chances of receiving bigger rewards. Step-by-step guide to farming tasks. For the farming event, you'll need to complete specific actions multiple times throughout the day. Here's how it works. 1. Start farming. Log into the bitget wallet Lite. Click on Start Farming. 2. Repeat 3 times. Complete this action 3 times within 6-hour intervals. This means you'll need about 18 hours to fully complete this farming task. 3. Unlock rewards. After completing the farming tasks, you'll unlock rewards, which can include Toma tokens or Keysure points. Additional tips. Level up your account. Make sure to keep leveling up your account by completing daily tasks. A higher level increases the value of your rewards. Low competition. Many users are skipping these events because they find them complicated. This is your opportunity to take advantage of lower competition and earn more rewards. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the reward center and notifications in the bitget wallet. Important updates will be shared there. These events offer a fantastic opportunity to earn free Toma tokens, so don't miss out. I've shared 2 major events and several tasks with you today, and I'll continue to update you with the latest developments. If you follow the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your profits. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or face any issues. I'll do my best to help you out. Also, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crypto Hook for more updates. That's all for today. Best of luck with your tasks, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.